Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting immediate wins. Log into an admin account and close programs that write to C, so files can be removed. Once done, open File Explorer, right-click C, and choose Properties, then Disk Cleanup. This launches the built-in cleaner. Make sure to click Clean Up System Files to include Windows Update files and system temporary data. You do this because built-in cleanup is safe and fast, and it prevents locking errors. Now select items to remove and proceed when ready. Next, you expand the effort by locating what's occupying space. Go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Storage to inspect breakdowns by category and identify big files. Use Storage Sense for automated cleanup and run Disk Cleanup again for system-level junk. If needed, run a reputable third-party cleaner, but be cautious and uncheck settings that remove browser passwords. Once you identify large apps or media, uninstall unused software and move videos or backups to an external drive or cloud to free tens of gigs. To finish, empty the recycle bin and reboot so Windows releases locked files, then verify free space in File Explorer. If the reported space seems wrong, run check disk, open command prompt as admin run chkdskc/f to repair file system issues and reclaim space. If space remains tight, consider resizing partitions with disk management or adding an SSD. This solves chronic constraints. If a tool deleted something critical, restore from backup immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.